Dogs by Myra and Gabby. Pugs are a type of dog. They are very strange dogs because they are fat like a bulldog. Their origin is from China. Their lifespan is about 13 years on average. Their attitude could be charming, playful, docile, clever, quiet, stubborn, attentive, and sociable. Dachshunds are a type of dog too. The dachshund is a short-legged dog and that has a long neck. The dachshund's origin is from Germany. Their lifespan is about 15 years on average. Temperament is lively, devoted, and clever, and stubborn, and courageous. Thank you so much for watching our video on dogs. Bye!